And I think from a financial standpoint also, it's important for buyers to understand they don't need to know the answers. Like
Correct.
we do this all day as our job. So let us do our job and help guide you. Like don't worry too much about having to educate yourself on literally everything. Let me help you through that and let you
Yeah,
help them through
we'll
that.
hold your hand and walk you through it
Yeah.
because it's too much for you to just sit down and learn in one day.
Yeah.
We're in the field doing it every day.
Yeah.
So just let us guide you.
Yeah, and even if you don't think you're ready, come to me, let me look at your financial situation and let me kind of help guide you towards that. I have clients that I've been working with for literally I started in this industry 3 years ago. I have a client that I'm working with who I've been working with since my first month in the business. And I'm not scared. I
Yeah.
like talking to them, they're going to buy a house someday. They're
Yeah.
real serious.
We just,
And they came to me with, a 450 credit score and no money down. So were they ready when they came? No, but they're getting real close now.
that's awesome.
Yeah, it's taken some time. We had to massage that credit. We had to save some money, and those are hard to do at the same time
They
sometimes.
are, especially you got a bunch of stuff you need to pay off while
Yeah,
also saving up. Yeah, it can be
yeah.
tricky.
So, but they're gonna buy a home. They will. They'll get in a home. The process is gonna take them longer because of their situation. But if you're someone with a 580 and 5,000 in the bank account, you're closer than you might think
Yeah.
if you really put your mind to it and really want it to happen.
How much does your credit score matter when you're getting a mortgage?
So your credit score matters for sure. I'm not going to downplay that. However, like you said just a minute ago, there are options out there for people with a lower credit score. 580 is doable. Also, FHA with some lenders, you can go down to 500.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's not going to be pretty and you're going to have to take a higher interest rate,
Yep.
but there are options and alternatives out there for all credit ranges. So it matters, but I don't think it is as fully detrimental as people think. But I'm just saying if your credit isn't where you want it to be, don't let that hold you back from starting to explore the process. Because
Yeah.
we can look at it, we can try to improve it, we can look at,
Yeah, or at
options.
least map out, like create a roadmap to get to the goal. If that's your goal, there's a path to success.